A draft of the new Colorado water plan has been released. It outlines what our state needs to do in order to manage and conserve resources, and it comes as rivers, lakes, and reservoirs are drying up across the entire southwest region. KRDO News Channel 13's Mallory Anderson joins us from our newsroom to break down the 250-page plan. Mallory.
Bart, nearly 6 million Coloradans, not to mention 19 other states, rely on water from Colorado's 9 river basins. And that supply is at extreme risk. The Colorado Water Conservation Board is now releasing its blueprint for how the state can preserve this precious resource and is offering money to communities willing to help. As our state continues to grow in population, Colorado is at a dire point with water resources dwindling. New analysis by the Colorado Water Conservation Board says up to 740,000 additional acre-feet of water could be needed by 2050 to meet community and industrial demands. And for agriculture, even more. An estimated 2.6 to 3.5 million acre-feet of water is needed, which is about the same size as 15 Lake Pueblos.
I think we're presenting a very honest view of where things are at. It's going to be tough. We can't change things like mega fires. We can't stop drought, but we can do a lot of things to work together to mitigate the worst impacts of what is headed our way.
A major way the Colorado Water Plan hopes to do that is by funding local conservation projects through grants.
If you have the time and energy and you want to have a great idea and you can come and apply for a grant, help us make stuff happen. You know, we can innovate and solve these solutions together, but we need that collaboration to do it.
1,800 water projects have already been identified, ranging from dam repairs to building new reservoirs and upgrading water treatment plants. But those efforts won't be cheap. The water plan estimates about $20 billion will be needed to address the water crisis.
The challenge ahead of us, not losing hope, but really doubling down on the good work and making sure the next project we build is the best project that we can be building that really uplifts cities, agriculture, and the environment. We have to make sure that every drop we're using is being stretched as far as it can and being used as wisely as it can.
Public comment is now open for the water plan draft. The Conservation Board will collect feedback through the end of September, and we have a link to that inbox at KRDO.com. By January, the final version will be approved by the board, and that grant money can start being used on some of those 1,800 projects. Reporting live from our newsroom, Mallory Anderson, KRDO News Channel 13.